Hello everyone, today I am making chocobar ice cream on demand of my baby as he is craving it since a long time and due to lockdown we are unable to get it from the market. Welcome back to my channel. Please do subscribe, like, share, comment. It will be appreciable. Do catch me on Insta and FB by same name. Starting the process, I am roasting some peanuts. This is optional. After roasting, I will just remove the skin and will crush it. Here I am taking milk powder from a medium sized bowl. You just take for as per your requirement and adding 3/4 of water from the same bowl. Whisk it thoroughly to avoid any lumps. If milk powder is not available, you can take liquid milk and you can just boil it to a thicker consistency. Milk powder just saves time and nothing else. Now we'll switch on the gas when there are no lumps and we'll boil it properly on the lowest heat. Adding condensed milk here, you can add powdered sugar also, and please keep a check on the extra sweetness you are adding as milk powder is already sweet. Now adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with a few drops of water just to thicken the consistency and to hold the shape. After few minutes you will get the proper thickness as you can see in the video. Adding few drops of vanilla essence. Now I will put off the gas and will sieve this mixture once as if there will be lumps it will be removed. I am having this kulfi molds here, so I am using it. You can use any of the mold or you can use the packets of chocolates or biscuits like this. Cut open from one side, remove the chocolate or biscuit whatever, put it in glass and pour the mixture. Put something in glass from sidewise to just keep the packet intact in the glass. Now I am inserting popsicle sticks in each packet. After filling all the molds and packets, I will keep it in freezer overnight or for at least 8 hours. After my ice creams are all set, means overnight or after 8 hours, I will melt the chocolates in a double boiler system. Double boiler system means I am not heating the chocolate directly. I have kept it in an other karai which water is boiling. Chocolate will melt with the heat of water. Now I am pouring it in a glass at it would be easier to coat. Taking out my ice creams from the packets and the molds. Now you can see how I am dipping it in the glass and rolling it over to coat it properly. Please be sure that your melted chocolate has cooled down, otherwise it will melt the ice cream quickly. After coating it, I will instantly put it into the freezer. Or you can keep one bowl filled with ice and you can put the ice cream instantly over it. Now coating the other ice creams from the kulfi mold. For a little variation, I will mix the roasted peanuts in the chocolate just for the crunchy flavor. It's totally optional. Now coating the other ice creams in this peanut mixture. It's all ready to be served after keeping it in freezer for a few minutes. Please be sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.